Good morning, campers. This is Ranger Shay. We are at Bumping Lake Campground. This is the Upper Campground. This is Site 43. I'll take you on a little tour here. It is not a double site, but this, I guess, is relatively short. Our trailer is only 16 feet, but relatively short, so there's actually a spot for you to pull off and park your vehicle next to it. You can see our neighbor's way down there. He has a boat and his truck and camper, so in between is a bathroom. But 43, lots of reserved signs. This is a popular one. It's pretty cool. Super level. So here's the double parking, and we'll go back. No hookups, no power, no water. Got pretty good sun though, so our solar charged pretty well. So a really nice fire pit. When we got here, it was like 43 degrees. The wind was blowing. It was kind of rainy, snowy. When we came over the pass by Mount Rainier to come here, it was snowing, so it was cold. This firebox has a wall on it, so it kept us pretty toasty. We hunkered around. So fireplace. We have our picnic table, pretty big. Hey, Rover. Also testing the Grubsticks, which have been really fun. But this is the best part. This is why this site is the best, I think, in this whole campground. You go back up here, over the hill. And beautiful Bumping Lake is right here, right behind. And we do get some breeze off of it, which makes it pretty cold. But this morning, of course, Sunday, when we're about to leave, it's beautiful. And there is beach for Washington. Over to my right, you can actually get down. We are getting ready to leave. The sun has come out. It's nice and warm. There's some people out with their kayaks on that little island. It's really nice. This is the little beach that I was talking about. Beach for Washington. This is what we consider the beach. But our campsite was directly up the hill where I was earlier today. It's been a really nice weekend.